All right, so I wasn't going to record any of this tonight because I just wanted to figure out how the seat comes out. And it turns out the bottom cushion actually just fits in, slides in, and is held in place with gravity, which is nice. But then I removed it and I saw all of this. Um, yeah, there were a lot of little critters living in here. So this is going to be a whole lot of fun to get the rest of this removed and cleaned out, and then figure out how to remove the framework from the floor pan and start getting that taken care of. Um, yeah, I still want to take all the glass out and all the handles and all the garnish moldings and everything, and probably figure out how to remove this dash and get the dash taken care of separately and then reinstall it in the car when the time comes for, reassembly, which will be years down the road. Because yeah. And yeah, there's the original car serial number tag. That's pretty neat. It's only 6 digits, made in USA. That's very neat. Yeah, only 6 digits on there. Can you see that? Yeah, 718202. Yep. All right. So, I guess that would mean 71,000 cars. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Um. So anyway, that's just a little update, and I will give you more of an update after I figure out how to get this seat out. It's neat though, the springs, you still have the original paint on them for the most part, so I should be able just to get all these rat's nests out of here and clean the wire all up with some rust converting primer maybe, and then just take it down to our local upholstery shop and see what he can do. Last time I talked to him, he only charged $65 an hour. Might have gone up because everything's gone up. And this rear seat, that's going to take a little more doing. Yeah, the wood framework is all broken and messed up. I might rebuild that with probably just a sheet of 3/4 inch plywood. Would probably do the trick just fine, but still clean up the rust. Use some more of the rust converting primer. That stuff works really good. I end up using it on a lot of things. So there's that. Got the car up on jack stand so I can crawl underneath and inspect more of the work that's going to have to be done. Start fitting the rear X member, actually, where the two frame rails cross. That's where the rear mounts for the transmission is going to go. I'm going to remove this original cross member for the original transmission because it's right in the way of the bell housing for the flex plate. So that's going to come out, and then I'll do some supporting, a little bit, weld in some supports like in that corner area where the cross member is being removed. Just run some more pieces up along to attach, like just some thick angle pieces. And yeah, I got a lot of the stuff cleaned out, vacuumed out last night. Need to vacuum out some more and figure out how to remove the fenders from the frame and the cab so I can take them all off and then lift the cab, hoist it up to the rafters after I put some anchors up there that'll be strong enough, and a couple come-alongs, and crank the cab right up off the frame, then take the frame outside and pressure wash it and possibly sandblast it and weld in all the reinforcing I need to in the rusted spots, cut out the really bad rusted spots, and just proceed. So that's the plan. This is just a little update of what's going on with it. Can I see in here? Yeah, this doesn't look any different. I still need to remove more stuff. Yep. So anyway, that's it for now. Good night.